Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to our channel, which is a healing journey with us. Firstly, I think today it's a Mother's Day. So this particular short video is especially for all the mothers out there and also for all the people, especially for those who are expecting and carrying. So firstly, a happy Mother's Day to all of you, to all the beautiful ladies out there. So today I'm going to talk a special topic about all of you, which is for the mothers, right? Yeah. So you heard it correct. So firstly, we as a mother, we go through a lot of stress. We go through a lot of anxiety. We have a lot of palpitations when we think about our child, right? So how do we deal with that? It's easy. It's very easy. I'll show you a technique which you can use it on a day-to-day basis, and it will just take your 3 minutes of your daily schedule. Yes, you don't have to do anything. Just follow what I say, and that's definitely going to help you, right? So first, let me start with a small basic. All right? Yeah. So do we all know that we are energy? Yes, we are. We are energy, and if I put a little science behind it, so as we are energy, so we also attract different frequencies, right? Yes, so if we are attracting frequencies, which means if our energy is low, if we are not attracting the correct frequency or a high frequency, we will not be able to pass the same level of frequency to others, and we will be attracting all the unwanted frequencies which is not required in our life, right? Yes, so how do we do that? Firstly, what we need to do is, so as a mother, we always think of rectifying our children, right? But have we ever thought about it that being a mother, and when we are carrying our child in our womb, right? So we pass on lot of our emotions, lot of our patterns, beliefs while the child is unborn, right? Yes, so it starts from there. So if we correct ourselves, if we stay unconditionally happy, we will definitely see the reflection in our children, in our kids, and even in our unborn babies as well, right? So how do we do that? Firstly, every day, I would suggest all of you to do it once. If you think you can do it twice as well. So firstly, you need to just set an intention, because this particular intention that you're setting is being sent directly from you to the universe, right? So we are setting an intention that we are going to be, as a mother, we are going to cleanse all our negativity, all our blockages, all our unwanted beliefs from us, and we would be attracting all the high frequency, positive frequency and positive energy amongst us, which in turn will be helping our children. So once we set that intention with the universe, now we are going to set up the prayer that we are going to pray, and it's very simple. Just 4 words, 4 sentences that you need to just utter, and you will have to communicate with the universe that why you are uttering it. So first we are setting the intention, and now we will start the prayer. So the first line, it starts with so let me also talk about this. This particular technique which I am going to teach you is the first step and the basic of a healing technique which is called Ho'oponopono. And I'm sure a lot of you are already knowing about it, but probably might not have explored about it, right? Yeah. So this is a first and a baby step of Ho'oponopono basic technique. So we will start our prayer with the first line stating as I'm sorry. You can just fold your hands, bow your head, and you can just pray. Or if you don't have time for sitting or standing in the right posture, while you do your daily work like your cooking, washing, sweeping, grooming, whatever you do, you can start chanting this. It starts with I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So the first line that we say, I'm sorry for attracting all the unwanted frequencies, all the unwanted beliefs, all the unwanted patterns that unknowingly or knowingly I have attracted. Please forgive me for the situation that I have created, or the unwanted, unfavorable condition that I have created. And the next is thank you, which means I'm thanking to the universe that you have made me realize this, and now I am ready to heal myself and also to correct my beliefs. And I love you, which is unconditionally. I'm loving to the universe, to all the people in this beautiful world, including our children and everyone around us. So this particular 4 statement prayer is a very very powerful technique. If you don't believe me, you can use it in your daily life. And as I said, especially for your children, you need to first build up, or you need to first rectify, or you need to first correct your frequencies, which is going to reflect in your children, right? And in your daily life, if you want to probably there are a few situations where your kid is not eating food, or they are not listening to you, so you don't need to do anything. You just have to start chanting these 4 sentences, which starts with I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You can take his name or her name, your kids and children name, and you can start chanting it. So this particular technique is basically meant to clear all the unwanted beliefs, patterns, and the negative energies that you are carrying unknowingly, right? So you're clearing the traffic, and you would be attracting all the positive energy within you, right? So that's how you are going to cleanse yourself. So whenever we wake up in the morning, we start cleaning our houses, right? So do we actually go and put so much of logic as in are we going to clean it from the right side, left side, or from the entrance? No, we just start cleaning. So that's how you do it every day for yourself. So you are cleaning yourself without putting any logic behind it. But yes, if you have a specific purpose, you can put you can actually set the intention to the universe and then start your prayer with these 4 sentences, right? And a special tips for people, especially for women who are carrying for their unborn child. So as you know that whenever the child is there in your womb, so the child will start attracting all your beliefs, patterns, lot of your characteristics within him or her. So it is very crucial that you start your prayer right then, right? So you can start your prayer stating or setting the intention that I'll be having a healthy baby, happy baby, without any complications, and you start imagining your baby's face, in fact, that your baby is very happy, and you are super excited, your family is super excited looking at your baby. And then you start the prayer, which says that I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. That's the unconditional love that a mother has for for her child. All right. So I hope this will help you, and I'm pretty sure you are going to get the good results out of it. And we would be really looking forward for your result sharing. So that's why I would encourage all of you to join. I'm sure all of you are already there in our group. So please feel free to share this message, share this particular information about our 5 days workshop, which is a free workshop on healing. We are going to conduct this, by the way, for the adults and for children, right? So we will be having separate batches as well. So feel free to share this with all your known people, your friends, family, relatives, peers, everyone, and you can bring them together, and we can just start the magic. All right. So I look forward to serving you. See you there. Thank you.